When I meet a carpet cleaner, the first question I have for them is, are you using a truck mounted system? Why do I care? I care because I'm Jen, I'm a real estate investment educator and advocate, and I'm always giving tips. So I think you need to use professional carpet cleaners who do a hot water clean with a truck mounted extraction unit. This is because the number one problem with carpet cleanings is the extraction of the water. So when too much water is left behind, that's when mold grows and other things happen. Like this property, we just put this carpet in the summer of 22. So it's just 2 years old. In this case, the tenant did their own cleaning, and all we can surmise is that this machine must have been broken and it left a significant amount of water in the carpet because it was still wet 2 weeks after their move out. And when we went to address the issue with the carpet, we realized the carpet had actually peeled off of the backing because it had been wet so long. I've seen mold grow. I've seen all kinds of bad things happen with poor extraction. One of the biggest offenders of this problem is those machines you rent at the grocery store. Those machines are never cleaned. People put them in the most horrid situations, and they're not powerful enough to get the water out so that it dries in a reasonable amount of time. My lease restricts the kind of carpet cleanings that can be done in the properties that we rent, but you might consider doing something different. Do you have any preferences or picadillos when it comes to carpet cleaning in your properties?